mental health is breaking barriers and building support. What do you mean by mental health? What is mental health? How many kinds of health are there? One is physical health, how good we are physically, how strong we are. And second is called mental health. What is mental health? Mental means what? If mental होगी क्या मतलब है? Understood. So when our mental well-being, when we talk about mental well-being, means what? That we are mentally strong, right? We are having the strength to handle the adverse conditions in a positive way. The challenges which come in our life, if they are coming to us, then we are facing these challenges in a strong way, rather succumbing in front of them. Means उसके सामने झुकते नहीं हैं, बल्कि हम कोशिश करते हैं कि अपने दिमाग को खुश रखें, हेल्दी रखें. जैसे पेट के लिए खाना जरूरी है ना, फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा खाना, न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट जरूरी है. इसी तरीके से अच्छी मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे विचारों का होना जरूरी है. इसका जरूरी है गुड वैल्यूज, गुड थॉट. यानी जो भी बच्चे अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को अच्छा रखते हैं, जो भी बच्चे अपनी दिमाग को बहुत संतुलित, अच्छा बढ़िया बना के रखना चाहते हैं, दे नीड टू हैव गुड वैल्यूज, इनकलकेट गुड वैल्यूज, गुड सिस्टम, है ना. Respecting elders, supporting old people, right? Supporting the young ones. That is the example of good health, good mental health. Okay? So mentally we need to be strong. So we will be showing you some video. Listen to it very carefully, and thereafter some questions will be asked you related to this, right? Okay? Quietly listen to it. Do not talk in between, right? Good.
सोच में सकारात्मकता लाएं, जीवन को बेहतर बनाएं. मनोबल पर कौन लगाए, मनोबल अपना और बढ़ाए. मनोबल पर कौन लगाए, मनोबल अपना और बढ़ाए. चलो आज ही प्रण में हम मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सुधारे हम. चलो आज ही प्रण में हम मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सुधारे हम. उनके काउंसलर से परामर्श पाने के लिए डायल करें टोल फ्री नंबर 844-844-0632. नंबर एक बार फिर से 844-844-0632.
Namaskar and very good evening to all the viewers and learners. Welcome to CIET NCERT's another live and interactive session. You're watching us live on PME Vidya channel number 6 to 12 and also on our official YouTube channel NCERT Officials. I am Dr. Megha Jain hosting today's session, and with me you can see the sign language interpreter Sonal. Today is a very special episode of Sahyog. Welcome to Sahyog. एक ऐसा मंच जहां हम मानसिक स्वास्थ्य से जुड़े हुए महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर चर्चा कर रहे हैं. All our Sahyog sessions are brought to you by Manodharpan, an initiative of Ministry of Education as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan for providing psychosocial support to students, parents and teachers across the country. Today's topic is mental health in society, breaking barriers and building support. And to take us through this topic and understand it better, we are honored to have our experts. We have with us Dr. Albert Horo, Associate Professor of Geography, NERIE, NCERT, Shillong. We would like to welcome you, sir, in our studio. Thank you so much. And we also have with us Dr. R. Zuthanliana, practicing counselor. We would also like to welcome you, sir.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. And since it's a live and interactive session, which means you can also ask your questions and be part of this session. You can give us a call on the number as you can see on the screen. Our number is 8800440559. Or you can send us an email to sahyog.ncrt@ciet.nic Let's begin today's Sahyog session, and first of all I would like to ask both of you the relevance of this topic, this today's topic, how relevant this topic is. Dr. Guru, first of all.
Yeah, I'll just look into the process in a different way. Mental health is becoming nowadays very important aspect in our life. And as a student, and that too adolescence age student, it is very important that the person should have a proper mental health. Because we have listened earlier also that healthy body will keep the healthy mind. But I put it, if you are mentally strong and you are very much mentally better one, so you can cope up with all the problems in your life, and that's why it became very important to discuss about it, and especially
The middle vision shows how a little pause and honest reflection can turn a moment of anger into a moment of understanding. Characters: Ria, a student who reacts without thinking. Asha, her friend. Teacher and reflection: Ria's inner world. Scene 1. In the classroom. Ria, can I borrow your pencil? Mine is dry. Why do you always borrow my things? Can't you bring your own? I'm sorry, Ria. I'll return it later. No need. I'll do my own work and you can do your own work. Ria, that wasn't very kind. Please calm down and think about what just happened. Who is it? Ria went to her room and was upset for a day. The next day, while she was getting ready for school, something happened. Scene 2. Reflection appeared. Ria, why are you upset? You always follow my friend. How did you feel after shouting? Not good. Maybe I should have said. What could you have done instead? Taking your movement time instead of shouting at her. Yes, that's right. A calm voice can change everything. Go, make it right. Ria goes to school with determination. Scene 3. Making it right. Asha, I'm so sorry for shouting at you. I was angry, but it
Take a deep breath in. Start. Take a deep breath in. Start. Keep your eyes closed.
With your phone black and white. Without the colorful dopamine hits, scrolling loses its charm. App blockers use apps like Forest, Stay Focused, or Freedom to Limit usage. Schedule strict off hours from social media. Pro tip: replace your lock screen with a motivational quote like, "Is this helping your future self?" Step 3: the dopamine.
Which mineral is crucial for preventing anemia in students? This mineral Pradeep. Iron. Ready? Iron. ठीक है? Iron का use करते हैं, ठीक है? Healthy eating pyramid. Healthy eating pyramid. First one is the 40% of bread, cereals, and pasta. 25% vegetables, 20% is made up of organs, as we all know. Yes or no? Body is made up of organs. Organs are made up of. क्या हो रहा है इधर? Of the everyday activity. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain the food they need to grow and repair body tissues. And from nutrition we need nutrients. And how many types of nutrients are there? Carbohydrates, fat, meat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. We got carbohydrates from cereals, then proteins from pulses, then vitamin and minerals from vegetables and spices, and after that our fats from oil seeds. Nutritious food. Here's the importance of eating nutritious food as well as.
So screen time has its own benefits, like it can support learning, जो तुम्हारे में हो रहा है, improve coordination, help children explore creative tools like drawing or music apps. ठीक है? So it helps in building your creative side as well.
कथा ये नहीं है, नई ये कहानी। किसी को पता ना, किसी को खबर है, किसी को पता ना, किसी को खबर है। कथा ये नई है, नई ये कहानी। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो। आया आया निकल आया, गली गली में निकल आया। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो। आया आया निकल आया, गली गली में निकल आया।
आज देखो आ गई नाटक वाली जोड़ी, दादा दादी भैया अम्मा सुनो हमारी बोली।
सुनो हमारी बोली, हाँ सुनो हमारी बोली। नाटक हमने सीखा है, नाटक हम सिखाएंगे। नाटक हमने सीखा है, नाटक हम सिखाएंगे। माटी खुशियों को खोल के हम जाएंगे। माटी खुशियों को खोल के हम जाएंगे। नाटक हमने सीखा है, नाटक हम सिखाएंगे। आज हम क्यों आए हैं? क्यों आए हैं? क्यों आए हैं? आज का मुद्दा क्या है?
आज का मुद्दा है खुशी कलाम।
अच्छा, मैंने मुद्दा पूछा है, तुम्हारी परेशानी नहीं। अच्छा, तो मुद्दा ये है, बातें करना यानी कहते हैं। मतलब आज पागलों का नाटक करके हमें दिखाओगे?
पागलों की बात नहीं, बात करेंगे तुम्हारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी। बात करेंगे मेंटल हेल्थ की।
सुनो भाई सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई।